Hey there, welcome back. In this video, we'll dive into the powerful combination of HubSpot and Trello, showing you how you can create cards in Trello automatically from new HubSpot form submissions data. So if you're tired of manually entering the data from HubSpot and bringing it to Trello, this automation video is for you. Here I'm going to show you step-by-step process of integrating HubSpot with Trello and automating your workflow to improve your productivity and efficiency. So without any further ado, let's begin. To set up this automation workflow, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration tool, and this is the landing page of Pabbly. And I'm going to paste this link in the description so that you can sign up for free and you will get free automation tasks every month. So you can just sign up right now from the given link, and after this sign in and select Pabbly Connect product, and you will reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. From here, click on create workflow button. Here you can give a suitable name to this workflow. So let me give a name here. So I have given the name here, create Trello cards from HubSpot form submission. Now you can click on create button and you can see the workflow page started loading up here. And on this page guys, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So with the help of these two things, we are going to set up the automation. So trigger is going to start the workflow and the action would be a automated consequence or the response of the trigger. In our use case guys, receiving a form submission via HubSpot Forms is going to trigger this workflow. So here when you click, it will ask to choose the application. So here I am going to choose HubSpot CRM, okay? Then select the trigger event as new form submission. So here is new form submission option, and here we'll get this webhook URL. So with the help of this URL and following these instructions written here, we are going to create a connection with HubSpot application. Then we are going to capture the response of this connection. So let me show you the process. This is my HubSpot application, okay? And here are the forms I am using. And here you can see we have this automation option right here. Click on automation and then click on workflows, and the workflow page will open up of HubSpot. Here guys, you will find this create workflow option. From here you have to click on from scratch option. All right, then here select blank workflow option, then click on next button. All right, so this page will open up. From here click on setup triggers, and here you have to select this when an event occurs, okay? Then guys, this type of window will open up. From here you have to scroll down and you will find this form option. Under form option you will see this form submission option. Select this as a trigger, and here you have to select the form's name. Select form name option, and from this is any of drop down you have to select the form's name. So I am using this complaint form I have created. So check this, I am selecting this, and now you have to just click on apply filter. All right, then click on save, and the trigger will be saved. Now you have to add an action as well. So click on this plus icon here, and from this window you have to select this workflow send a webhook option. Select send a webhook, okay? The method will be post, and here it will ask for entering the webhook URL on which you want to send the data from HubSpot. So here you have to paste this webhook URL guys. So just click on copy here. All right, and you can see it started showing waiting for the webhook's response. So paste this URL here under this webhook URL field like this. All right, then you have to scroll down and click on save button. Right, so this is how you can create a workflow connection. Then click on review and publish on the top right corner. From here you have to turn on this workflow. Click on turn on, and this workflow is turned on, and here you can see it's still waiting for the response of this workflow connection. So this means now we have to perform a test submission. Test submission means now I'm going to open the form and I'm going to manually fill that form, okay? Just to set up this automation, I'm doing this because we need a test form submission here. So this is my form. and let me just fill in some details of the email address of the person and the name of the person, okay, the number, and here it is asking describe your issue. So let me type the issue as. Alright, so guys, so I have filled all the details. Now I'm clicking on submit, and you can see the form has been submitted. Let's check our workflow if we received the data. So here you can see, guys, we have received the data, and in this data you can see we have received the form's name and the response. Also here you can see the phone number received under the phone number label, okay, and similarly you will find the name label as well, and here you will find the name received. So here you can see we have received the email address, and you can see the name is also here, right? So this is how we can capture the data of the form submission. Now I want to create a card in Trello using this form's data. Alright, so for that, in this action step, I'm going to connect with Trello to search for it, and then select the action event as create a card with plain type description, okay. Then click on connect button. From here select add new connection, and here it will ask for the username of Trello account, the API key, and the token. So if you are logged in your Trello account, you can just click on this Trello account link and you will reach your account page. So you can see I am not logged in, so it is just asking me to log in. So let me log in first. So guys, when you log in, you need to open this account option, and from here you have to click on profile and visibility. Here you will find your username like this. You just have to copy it and paste this username here, and then click on this here word written in blue, and you will reach this page, the developer page, and here you will find the API key. You just have to copy it, paste it here like this, and then you have to generate a token. So to generate a token, click on generate a token link, and here it will ask to provide the access to your account. So from here you have to scroll down and then click on allow button. Alright, and here's how the token will be generated. You have to copy this token and paste it here like this, and then click on save, and you will be connected with your Trello's board, okay. So we are now connected, and here it is asking to choose the board in which you want to add a card. So let me show you my board. So this is my board, guys, named as daily tasks and reports. So I'm going to select this board's name here from the list. Then it will ask for the list ID where you want to add the task. So I want to add the card in daily tasks list, so I'm selecting it, or let us select this working on list, okay. Now it is asking for the name of the card, so I am going to provide the name of the card as HubSpot form submitted by, okay, and here I am going to provide the name of the person who have submitted the form, and here we have received the name as well, you can see, okay, in the first name label. So I'm going to map these labels here in these fields. So first of all, let me map the name. So you can see as I clicked here, the previous step appears here in the drop down, and when you click on it, you will find the data right here. So you can just search for that label. Let me just search for it. Okay, here you can see the first name label, map it right here, okay. Here you can provide the description from the previous step. So I'm going to use the description which was the issue, okay, of the person. So here you can see the issue label. This is the issue label actually, okay. So click on it to map it. Then you can select a position where you want to place the card. So I want to place the card on the top of the list, so I'm selecting top option. If you have member IDs available, you can assign the card to members. You can provide a due date, you can provide a URL source. Right now I'm just using the sufficient fields to create a card. You can map all the things, okay. Now you can check your connection with Trello as well by clicking on save and send test request button, and a new card will be added here inside this working on list. Let me just show you. I'm clicking on save and send test request here, and this is the response we received, okay. Let me show you the list, And here you can see, guys, we received a new card named as HubSpot form submitted by dummy. Okay, this was the name of the person. This was the name of the person who have filled the HubSpot form, and you can see the description is also there. So this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that, it will work automatically whenever you are going to receive a form submission via HubSpot. And I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description so that you can clone this workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.